Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Happy mid-summer. Let's do a summer card. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna do a background first with a stencil. This video is sponsored by my cat, whose leg is just always on the video. Okay, so I am gonna put a sentiment below, or maybe above. Well, the above. So I'm gonna put a little bit of washi tape over here. For this, I'm always just using the cheapest, like most not wanted washi tape, because it's gonna be trashed anyway. That way I don't feel like it's going to waste. All right, so we're gonna do blues, and I'm gonna go for this one, tumbled glass. Brushing it with these, and I kind of want to do a lower side only, so I'm brushing it downwards, but make sure I don't go out of this. So I just want it to be on one side only. Perfect. So it's just on one side. So I have pre-colored and pre-cut stamps, which I'm gonna do with double-sided foam. You already know I love it. And whenever I don't put a background on it, I go for the foam because it gives a little extra. So I want this card to be kind of minimalist with not too much stuff going on. I think it's a little too thick. Thinner piece in the back here. And then we'll do a big one on the other side. I kept talking and realized I forgot to put these on the back. That's alright. And one of the back here. Okay, great. Then we have a sun and some glasses. For the glasses, I'm gonna do tacky glue. And let me just get a tool and put some glue on the glass bottom, because I want it to look like it's laying on the beach sand, like that. And then for this one, I'm gonna do the foam again. Foam piece in the back. Ta-da! And the sun. Alright. Nice! Now we just need a sentiment. A minimalist card needs a minimalist sentiment. So I have these vacation sentiments. Obviously they're all pretty big, so I'm gonna use this one. You've been working hard. It's time for a break. Right there. And for this, I'm not gonna go in with the black. I'm gonna do gray, dark gray. This Craft Smart from Joann's. Looks good. Nice. My minimalist summer card is done. Look at that. So pretty, colorful, and a fun background. Simple to make if you don't have a lot of supplies at home. You don't even have to stamp. You can just draw it by hand and then color it and cut it out. Put some foam tape on it on the back and a little bit of background. There you go. Your summer card is ready. It's minimalist, it's clean, it's cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the comments.